Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Hadian bagi seng bhalang ke jela gila dawa ya ke sorkar banwan ra ya ke jingpen baik temai haga Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act arjar khatan riu nakaliang ke sorkar jela kamsem la syong klikti setia ban penwan ya ke jingpen kela kat tu kat ni ki kendon haga ni ka ain kaban te la kam ya ke jingyo orung lailo jong ki mender bat ki bar jela syakani ke jela Meghalaya. Usembot Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Preston Tengsang hagajing keren bat ke Batisi TV haga santarik unaitung arjar khat kendai ulai itu ubak ondala wanra ya kejing penbaik temai haga Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act ki kendon kin saya seriem hi malumala kum ka airline permit kumban syukudau hang ni ke sorkar jela kala penlong anya ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act house nem arjar khat riu kum sibenta ban penurlong ya kejing dawa jong ki seng balang ban thau ya ka ain ka ba te lakam ya ka jingwan tu kertep ki bar jela bat ki menderi syakani ke jela haga juga por usembut Menteri Rangba ulai tu baka political department bat ka home department jong ka sorkar jela yang mentahi gidang trei laka kam bala benchet bagian pendep pura banwan ra ya ki jing penbaik temai haga propose amendment jong ka ni ka ain MRSSA arjar katan riu.
The petition made against the IRP in Nagaland. Okay, one gentleman filed a petition to the Honorable Supreme Court, okay, requesting the Honorable Supreme Court to lift, okay, or to remove this IPL. But ILP. But the Supreme Court then and then they dismissed this petition. So meaning it's strengthened our hands. Because our act and the proposed amendment is more or less in line of